What's up, y'all? Coming to IKEA, show Tiff around because I love coming to IKEA. You always gotta get you a hot dog and an ice cream. That's all I got.
What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Galleria and Mind of Jew 321, and we are doing a vlog in IKEA.
You're welcome.
I'm getting ready to move soon. I feel like I told y'all that already, but if I didn't, I'm moving soon, and I'm just walking around to get like some inspiration. And Julian's always here, so I felt like it would be best to bring him.
Right.
So yeah.
Welcome to the party. But honestly, it's pretty chill because it's IKEA. You can't be here screaming and joking and laughing around.
There are kids in here doing that, though.
And everyone's like looking like crazy. But we're starting a new journey. Tiff has challenged me to get my YouTube started. So this is like my introduction.
Follow him on TikTok and Instagram at Mind of Jew 321. And hopefully YouTube at some point.
I don't know. Be on the lookout. The camera and the content is there. Just gotta record it. So here we are. But anyway, so see you in IKEA. Hopefully Tiff can get some inspiration to see what she's gonna do in her new place. And yeah, welcome.
Listen, and we are almost at 500 subscribers. I cannot stress this enough. Thank y'all. Y'all need to make sure that y'all is tuned in and that y'all like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe. Okay, period. We're doing a giveaway at 500 subscribers, and we're almost there. So yeah, help me.
Help me help you. How about that? Yeah, every time you come, you have to get one hot dog. And this new thing I've been trying with my hot dog, I saw this air fried onions. 10 out of 10. Then I want, oh shit, I want a treat. Oh no. Treat. A yogurt. I don't like strawberry. I never had it, but I don't like it. So then, wish they had chocolate instead of being the rest of it. But it went up on price. It used to be $1. What the hell is happening around here? It used to be $1 for ice cream, and what the frick? They're tripling the prices. And then $1 for a hot dog. 75 cents for a hot dog. So $2.
Oh, they $3.50, honey.
Yeah, it's expensive. Eh, whatever. Oh, did you want something? I'm sorry. You sure? This is my... Every time I come, I have to do this, and then I walk around and enjoy my ice cream. No problem. Smoke for your night. Dining only though. You wanna go and see? For your video?
Oh no. Kid.
They don't look bad. $2. create this in my house, I would love it. They say it only costs $800. Like a whole house. I kind of don't believe that.
That's just for the bed.
What?
That's just for the bed.
Oh, sure. I thought the whole house. Sometimes.
Hell nah, they got price tags all over the place.
You know, sometimes it'd be like, do this room for $1,000. Yeah. 1,500 is a lot.
It's like a whole bathroom. Literally.
So, this is what I do all the time. Put some steps in because I don't be doing shit else. Yeah, I like you to look. I like looking. Like this kind of stuff. No. This is nice. Like a cabinet thing. I feel like I want to make over my house. But it's like, what do you make over to make it like nice, you know?
You need inspiration.
You need a new house.
No, you don't. Oh, there's a backyard.
No trap. This is nice. Okay, this is where I'm at now. I want to redo my backyard. But they say it was too small. Oh, $20. I can afford that.
What? This grill only $300?
Is it really?
That's what it say. I feel like grills are not that cheap.
I'm sure.
How do you make it pink?
Put it red. I actually want to get rid of it.
Why?
Oh, that's nice. See, this is more like fancy.
Yeah, this is cute. I love this. Ooh, child. I love this chair and the material. $329.
Dang.
And it has like the little thing.
This is nice.
The mirror.
Yeah. I shouldn't do another ice cream, huh?
Now she want another ice cream.
This only shouldn't give me a little bit.
Did she? Yeah, I do like this mirror.
It felt like a little bit.
This mirror only $100.
I don't know.
It's
Yeah.
$99.99.
It felt like $100. I mean, a little bit. I don't know, I just feel like missing something.
Okay, I love the green in here.
Actually, yeah. Like, this feels like the,
This is like for somebody who likes,
plants.
yes, for sure.
Yeah.
And like greenhouses
But
and
see
shit.
how, like, the TV and stuff, like, how you
Think
I
of
can't
that.
sit that low.
Oh yeah.
I like my TV up. But I think I'm starting to realize I need my couch a little bit higher because I look like that.
Oh no. That's not the vibe. We trying to get up, not be on the floor.
It could be the vibe. You don't know.
Oh no. This is definitely not the vibe either.
No.
Like this. Like how the TV's up more.
Right, that's perfect. This is, I mean, maybe it's about the same. A little bit higher than my TV, but this is nice. You know what I'm missing? Pictures.
I thought you had pictures.
No. It's not.
Oh, I like these little bags, but what is it for? Oh, towels.
That's kind of nice.
That would need to be like some guest room shit, because ain't no way every day I'm about to be replacing the stove.
I know once I get started, I ain't want to fold them and put it in there.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
That would have to be some guest room shit where nobody even uses it.
Right. I need new bathroom fixtures.
This room is cute.
Interesting.
This is for the Janae Eichels.
Oh yeah. High and outside. This is more my kind of speed. Well, not this. This kind of. I like this little thing. This and that.
That bed is definitely low.
Well, I don't like that. I like this. How it is. Like this is nice, you know.
Like modern.
Yeah, that's why I like modern.
Yeah, this is cute.
The only thing is I don't want it to look like it's from a specific space.
This is only $28
Where
for a waffle robe.
is that like
A thing?
Yeah.
No, but I mean, they be trying to make it expensive. You know what everybody's on?
No.
Ozempic.
I ain't doing that.
She dropped weight, and everybody's like, "Oh no, what did you do?"
I thought she'd been doing something for a long time. I've been looking for a coffee table for years. And
Didn't you just get a new coffee table?
from TikTok shop. Not from IKEA. Because I want something that like I was going to do this, but I was getting tired of wood and black. I feel like it makes it like makes your house look not corny, but like it's just so insane. I just want to just rip everything out, start over. I can't afford it.
Boy, you don't even be home.
I think I need a new rug.
You just want to new everything.
New life. Start over. But you know what I really want a new? I feel like if I get a new TV stand, that will like change the flow. This is too big. I don't like this, where it's like lower maybe. I got $500. I'm gonna keep that. Cause I don't use it. It's just nice. I don't know. Like, these are nice. Not a TV stand, but just like a little cabinet thing.
I like the vases.
Where?
Oh, I like this brown.
Do what?
We need to do our introduction.
Oh shit. Well, we can do it when I get my mac and cheese. You gotta like sit in it. Try it out. It actually doesn't look uncomfortable.
You said it looks uncomfortable?
It looks comfortable.
It's giving cubicle though.
Oh damn.
It's not giving like comfy, I'm at home.
If you're like, yeah, maybe you gotta put the seat down. It's like too high. There you go.
Ugh. This is a cute little setup though.
I don't know if I could be able to work in there though.
Yeah, it's giving strict, like, sit down, do your work,
Right.
don't talk to nobody.
I mean, but this is like you're an artist in here. Like
Yeah,
this table.
And stuff, fabrics, but this is really cute.
Oh, fabric. Yep. Artist.
I like this color too, but I don't like the material.
So they got more desks. That's like over there.
This is boring.
Yeah, I don't like the light.
This is definitely giving office.
Yeah.
This whole setup is giving office.
I think that's what they want.
Yeah. This is legit go to work. Oh, not the animals.
Like old Gabriel's. This is a nice picture,
Yeah, and it's huge.
but it's only $100. I feel like, why would I want the Golden Gate Bridge in my house? $129.99, people. But it's nice. I just don't like the canvas. I think that's
$249.
yeah, it's big. It's huge.
I know.
And I think it goes up and down. Maybe looks like it. Or could be. I don't know. I think I'm settling for backyard stuff. This is an office. My guest room is fine. I haven't changed it. Yeah, I haven't. I actually have an IKEA table in there. I don't know where it is. Not there anymore. There's like a glass table. Kitchen. Smitching.
This is the kitchen.
Now I like the blue. Blue is nice. We can work with blue.
This is cute. And this. I love marble. Love, love, love marble.
Too bad this is fake.
I know. Marble.
Well, this is might be like whatever they cork formica, whatever.
It's so classic.
Yeah, that's
even
what I
with
have.
the golds.
Maybe I should do that. Change out my kitchen. Well, that's more money for nothing. That would be nice. Change out my hardware and put. Oh, I didn't even know that was a. It's gold too. That's insane. Oh, it says right here. I'm a dishwasher.
Oh, there go the
Oh, trash. Oh well.
trash and recycle.
No, so I was thinking I could do that. Change out my hardware to gold.
Yeah.
Like, well, I gotta see. I don't like that one.
No, you need like the pulley one.
Yeah. This is nice. This is a nice little setup in here.
This is cute, but I love this. I don't like those browns with what's happening right here. But this is cute.
Oh yeah. Oh. Damn. What is that? A coffee maker?
A vacuum flask? I thought it was like a like an electric kettle. But that's what I want.
Oh. I just bought Ninja Creamy.
Like for coffee?
I know. Ice cream. Did you not see me inhale that ice cream?
You did tell me that.
Did you not see me inhale that ice cream cone?
Talk about, let me get another one.
I shouldn't be buying anything because I got that damn Ninja Creamy at home.
I know, you could be making your ice cream.
I know. I have some in the house, but I feel like I haven't found the secret.
What you mean? Like it's not good?
It's not nasty. It's just like
Not what you
missing.
thought?
No, it blends it up, but you have to put the ingredients in to get it like whatever you're trying to recreate. So the one time I did it, actually, it tastes like a Frosty. I mean, yeah, Frosty, yeah. So that was good. I was like, wow. But I'm like, if I do this, I eat the whole thing in one sitting. So I was like, I'm sure that's not how it's supposed to be.
I mean, I don't know.
Same. All right, so talk to us. Tell us your plan.
In here?
Yeah, wherever.
I don't know. I'm moving soon, so I'm kind of looking for a little bit of inspiration, even though I do love the setup that I already have in my place.
Oh, wow.
But I just like, I don't want it to look exactly the same when I go somewhere else, you know?
Well, this is the place to be, apparently. Everything else is $1 million and gotta get it in.
Oh, $1 million is not in the budget.
This is nice. A little painting situation. I like that gold mirror, though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Okay.
Yeah, the gold mirror is cute.
This is nice. I would do without the wallpaper.
This is definitely modern.
Yeah, this is a little too modern for me, but I like it. Like, I don't like this. These, I feel like I'm in like one of those single family homes. Oh, this one's mine. Single family homes, all by myself. It's 100 rooms.
This is giving Martha Bob and the kids.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, look, even the picture. Even the picture. Outside is cold. Cold. It is cozy though. But in the summertime, what about this?
See? The kids.
The kids the whole time. I hope it's recording.
Yeah, as long as the red light's on.
Oh, you saw it. Yeah, maybe I'll just start over my life. Edit everything out of it.
I start over my life all the time.
Oh, I need to start over. I want new stuff. I do. But I feel like that's why I be like trying not to come here because I feel like I always buy something crazy. They got cookies. Well, anyway, so this is where you come. You come to IKEA, you gotta get an ice cream and a hot dog. I haven't done the pizza yet. Pizza's not for me. Here. Or if they're out of ice cream, sometimes what they do. I think it's yogurt, but whatever, same difference. I do the 2 hot dogs and a drink. Then I fill up with Frosty. I mean the slushy. Instead of a fountain drink. So, tidbit.
So is there stuff on like other floors?
No. It's
It's
just
all just one floor?
no. There's stuff. I mean, that's not true. There's stuff downstairs, but this is the showroom. But you can't get anything from here. Like you can only look at it. Some stuff, little stuff. But if you want to buy something, you have to pick it up downstairs in a little room. But downstairs you got like pictures and stuff. Black is out of stock, but I want it. We're gonna buy it rated 1 through 10.
You said what?
I said I want it. We're gonna try it rated 1 through 10. But I wanna. I just don't wanna build it and just like work.
I love these closets.
Oh, this probably could work for my house this size. I've been measuring for years. It was like 300 for this, 175 for that. What's this?
$255.
Man, breaking the bank. That's like 1,000. Gotta pay for hangers too. Maybe this could be my treat to myself for getting a billboard. 4 months or more until they're in stock. So I won't be getting this. that kills.
That's because everybody trying to get these things.
I know. And you like
Have to survive.
not survive the show, yes, but survive like the challenges and stuff to make it to the end to win the money.
He's having the time of his life.
Is that too much? Because I already got blue couch. Nah, it looks old. Whose grandmother was there?
Oh no.
What, Target? No. I was like, what? This is nice. What do you think about this?
That's you.
I feel like it's that blue. Wouldn't that red be too much now?
It's literally just a hint of red.
No, it's not. So I saw on TikTok, this girl said that she puts a memory foam thing under the rug and it makes it more comfortable. So like put your feet on and sit on and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Think about that.
Yeah, because some rugs are just too flat.
Yes, mine's is thin. It's not bad, it's just thin, you know?
Yeah.
But I'm like, maybe I should watch TikTok and see.
That's what they do in apartments.
Yeah, but it's like an area rug. It shouldn't be that hard. You know?
No, yeah, you just match it up.
Right. Where's the nice? Oh, is this one too? Oh, wow. This is cool. Let's see. Oh, they don't have it, so you can't blast it.
Yeah, I figured that's what she was about to do.
Not blast it. This is what I thought Alexa was gonna do for me.
You be like yelling at your Alexa. Alexa! I said, fold my laundry! Oh, it's like pencils.
Air purifier.
What?
Air purifier. Maybe you should get this.
This?
I don't know if it's loud. I'm gonna quiet one. Oh, is it on? Oh, it is on. Shit. I think it's on. Oh, it's on. It's quiet. Okay. Sold. $34.99. Yep. Check. $34.99. Quietest air purifier I've heard in a couple minutes. That's like the worst song ever. I want to turn it off. It was like pissing me off.
Didn't you pick that song?
It wasn't bad. It's just like I can hear it in my mind, you know. Pissing me off.
Alexa, you heard me.
I did not do that.
Yes, you did.
No, I know.
Yes, you do. Ooh, look, full length mirrors. See, yes, I got my mirror from IKEA.
Yeah, I got this one for you.
I ordered it. I didn't actually come and like see it, but they have
this
the
one?
best mirrors.
I don't have this one. I have
Yes.
I have this
The
one.
whole bed.
This one I got.
The light is killing me. Okay.
I got this one.
Oh, that's cute.
For $80, it's not bad.
Yeah.
So I wanted to do next to my walls, my bed, 2 of these on the side of the bed, and then do a sconce. Cause I seen a girl on TikTok. Girl on TikTok. But I was just so scared. It's gonna waste money. Oh, we could do a thinner one like this. This would be nice. I want black. Cause you know what I really want? Oh, you can help me. Okay, so tell me this. This will be a big ask or cost. If I were to take away the little desk in my room and put this one instead, cause it's bigger, in my in the same place I have that mirror, so I can get a full body situation going. You think, or no?
You said remove the desk?
Oh no, not that room. It's in my room. It's like a little thing on the thing next to my dresser.
Oh.
But I never can see my full body unless I back up. But I hate that. This one's bigger. Is this a floor one though?
They said that ain't going nowhere.
Yeah. Yeah, what? I don't need it. I didn't even want nothing. Oh, actually, the candles are actually good. So, I just got a candle the other day. For $2, it's not bad. Oh, not that. Here's the $2 candles. They must have changed the flavors. Damn. They must have changed the flavors. I'll smell nothing.
Yeah, like I love this vase.
That is nice. Alright, I'm gonna redo my house tonight. I have a new place tomorrow. Maybe vanilla? Because they changed the style too. It wasn't like that. It had like the metal top too. Oh, right here. Found it. $1.99. These. I like these. I think this is. Oh, here it is. That smells a little bit better. You like pumpkin, don't you?
Nah, hell no.
Actually, okay, try the pumpkin. It smells good.
No.
What?
No, not at all. It's instantly taking me to like Halloween.
Halloween's coming up around the corner.
Oh, don't say that.
It is.
We're just now tapping into June.
Early June's about to fly on by. It'll be Christmas again.
What?
Don't need this purifier.
Do you need it? No. Do you want it? I guess.
Alright, maybe I should leave it. Because I want to get a good one. And I got one for my bedroom that I don't use. Because I never bought a new filter. So this is going to be another thing that collects dust.
So just put it on top of that dresser.
Yep. And I don't need this candle either. Even if it is too bad. Well, I'll get it. Yes to the purifier or no? It doesn't match my aesthetic. I like it.
Oh my god.
Oh, so this is like obviously the warehouse where you get your crap. Stuff. Here's your stuff. Oh no. I didn't see anything from my backyard. So I'm gonna pay a lady to remulch my backyard. And I was thinking if I do these little squares.
Yeah. So for this. This is heavy. Oh, no, it's not.
I would do like a lot of things, you know?
Yeah.
So what's the other thing I'm thinking? So I'm gonna upgrade my life in the back. Something like this. Like either. It's not bad. 139. So like this, like do like a little situation like this, kinda, and then have a little table. I just want to figure out how to like make it like comfortable, and then on the other side, like this maybe, either like the cheap one, affordable, or this is more of my speed right here, but it's probably $1,000. This, boom, shakalaka. Oh, I know what's my problem. What umbrella? Can't sit out there and bake in the sun. Terrible.
Right.
But this is $100.
Because it ain't got no umbrella hole.
Oh, this one.
That one has one.
It's probably $400. It's bigger though.
Yeah, this one's bigger. Bless you.
Excuse me. But I wanted like the wraparound chair thing. This is interesting. I don't like that. Like this is nice. Oh, not for no 730.
Oh, I like this chair.
It's expensive.
This is a big ass chair.
That will be enough.
$400.
It's like this, maybe. Like compare this little section with a table like that. That's like $300 total. I don't want to build shit, so if it comes to put together.
Like you don't want to put it together?
Myself?
Can't you pay for assembly?
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, so it was a different thing that I saw, but that's I ain't see it. Oh, I forgot I put my car on the charger just so I got some charge. That's actually not a bad picture. So I got the IKEA family card. Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Yep, you can come on over here, any of the open registers.
Oh, I was like $199. I forgot you got the candle.
Or did I?
So, when you're ready, hit credit card there and then pay attention to your
Yeah. I need this song for background.
Oh yeah, they closed.
secured the things that I didn't need, but I have it now, so I need it. I think your camera does make it brighter or something.
Yeah.
Well, this has been a successful IKEA journey, you know. So hopefully you guys check out IKEA. And IKEA, if you see this, oh shit, oh, IKEA, if you see this, because I gotta meet that. IKEA, if you see this, I would love to. Love to be sponsored. Yeah, you can upgrade our whole lives, our whole house, anything.
Oh, this is the light.
What? Oh shit, this looks good.
Right.